Hey, what's up? How's everybody doing? Welcome to Mikey's Automotive. So today, you guys, we are going to be reviewing this Craftsman 3.0. All right, you guys, there she is. She's a beauty. 3 gallons, 155 max PSI. Okay, oil free. By the way, I love Craftsman. I love the tools. Really good quality tools for a good price. Honestly, off the back, I mean, it weighs 33 pounds, so I mean, it's not heavy. I mean, I can carry it with one hand without a problem. Let's come with a little chart which tells us what tools we can use effortlessly for inflation, cleaning. Okay, we can use that continuously for a finishing nailer, 16 gauge, for a brad nailer, 18 gauge, roofing nailer. Okay, we can use those continuously. However, it says that it might struggle just a little bit with the finishing nail, with the framing nailer or a flooring nailer. It's a 1.5 horsepower with 155 max PSI. We do have our gauges, okay, for tank pressure, tool pressure. We have our line out and our regulator knob. It's a nice compact little tank. We have our release valve right there. So we can plug it in.
Remember, never to operate this unit when flammable material or vapors are present, because electrical devices produce arcs or sparks that can cause fire or explosion, and unplug when not in use.
And it has the button back here. Honestly, I do like the frame. If I were to put this somewhere up, I would actually hang it up somewhere on the wall. So anybody that works on cars and needs a little air compressor, this is the one. You can even carry it around like for a job site. Like for me, it's perfect because it fits in the van here. You see that? I don't have space for large tools here. We're gonna go ahead, make sure it's off first, plug it in. And then the regulator, we're gonna do counterclockwise 7 until it's shut, and then we're gonna able to turn it on. When it's done, it should turn off by itself. When it's done, it should turn off by itself. Big shout out to Manny's Transmission, you guys. You can find him on YouTube as well. I'll go ahead and I'll tag him. If this transmission works, he's helping me out with my video today. We're gonna use the air blower tool and some other stuff. There it is, you guys. It stopped maybe like at a minute with 40 seconds, less than 2 minutes. It was filled up. We're gonna attach our hose, our accessory hose, with our tool. Okay. There it is. And then we're gonna open up the regulator clockwise. You guys can see we have pressure up to 150. And we can drop the pressure. Counterclockwise to drop the pressure, and clockwise to add pressure. Okay, pretty good. I like it. It's pretty good for a 3-gallon compressor. That's 150. So as you guys can see, it maintains pressure above 50 for our air blower gun. All right, guys, we changed our tool. We put a little grinder wheel on there. We're gonna turn the regulator knob clockwise to our adjusted tool pressure, and then we can. Okay, so it does kind of give us continuous air pressure, like the air blower gun, so it's a good tool to use with this compressor. All right, guys, next we have our impact gun. Now this tool is kind of draining out our compressor really fast at a fast rate. We have our regulator adjusted already to 150. It's full. It takes less than 2 minutes to fill up. And we turn off the compressor. we put all the regulator pressure up for the tool, and we're just gonna spin it out until it drains it all. See how long it can last. Here we go. All right, there it is, you guys. Not bad at all. And we're done. Not bad. It's not a bad small compressor, okay? For this size, to have enough power to power this impact tool. All right, so just make sure you turn it off. Okay, if there's any air inside the tank and you want to remove it or release valve behind there, just pull it up. Okay, and we're set for storage. All right, guys, there you go. 3-gal Craftsman air compressor. I'm going to put the link for this product below in the description below. Thank you guys for watching. If you guys like this video, make sure you guys subscribe. Don't forget to join our members only. If you guys want priority commenting, be part of our giveaways, and have access to our private community of our members only, go ahead and next to the subscribe button from a desktop or a laptop, you can go ahead and join. Okay, you're going to see the join button. Now, this is only from a desktop or laptop. You cannot join from your cell phone. And don't forget, you guys, to follow Manny's transmission. You guys subscribe to his channel. Give him a follow, you guys. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Share it with everybody. Thank you guys so much. Till next time, you guys. Take care. Mikey's Automotive.